Hey guys, welcome back. I'm Jamie. In today's video, I have a luxury fall haul. These are a couple pieces I picked up for the fall season, and they're some of my favorite brands right now, Louis Vuitton, Fendi, and Hermes. So let's get right into the video, starting with this piece. And go. We've got the Bastia. This has a beautiful pop of pink on the inside, and I really couldn't resist this combination with the brown. I just love a little bit of a pop of color. My kind of color, it's more muted and it's small typically, but I love these more pastel type of shades. So let me grab the other SLGs. Here we go. So this is in the gold color. You can see here. I think it's very pretty. I just like having both. I think it's such a pretty combination. This one I picked up from the new collection for fall, and couldn't resist this. So pretty. Look at that. Oh, the colors on this look so beautiful, and they're all my favorite tones, my favorite colors. I love it. So I'm gonna add that to my Louis Vuitton handbag. Let me grab my Speedy just so we can see how it matches up. This is so pretty. Do you guys like more of this caramel brown bandeau, or do you like this? I believe they called it beige clair on the website, which is still a beautiful neutral too. I even like this little pop of yellow in it, but I'm kind of digging the new one. It just adds a little bit more interest to the handbag. Here we go. Okay, this is the Monogram's shawl in the caramel color. This was a color that my essay said they only had this in store. They didn't have it online. Basically, I had to pick it up because there wasn't, I don't even think he saw any inventory. So I couldn't resist this color. I love the collection from Louis Vuitton. Just look at that, all the caramel and cognac shades. I think they're so beautiful. It's gonna be so pretty. It's a nice, beautiful neutral. So when it came to the Shine Shawl, I really had to think about this since this is not my first one, but this shade is perfection and it's my color. So I really felt like I needed to add this one. It's more that seasonal color, and I really just had to have it in my collection. It's actually my favorite. I've had a couple different colors between black, the denim, more of like a rosy beige, but this one is definitely my favorite. And this one I talked about in my Instagram stories, and it was a little item, but I had a hard time deciding with this last collection. I couldn't walk away from adding one of these guys. So I'm going to give you guys a hint. It is a Nano, and if you recall from my Instagram stories, in my post I was asking you guys, should I pick the beige or the mint green, and it is indeed one of those in this cute box. Look at the cute little Nano. I picked this one because I thought it's very nice and complimentary to my collection. Mint green. I think it's so pretty against neutrals. The browns, the cognac caramels, Let me show it to you guys up close. It was so close to getting that beige color, because that's just I naturally are always drawn to those tones, but this is a very special shade, and to me it's like a neutral in a lot of ways. I know Something Latte, you were looking at the bigger size, that Baguette, in this beautiful color. I don't blame you. I think it's so beautiful. And knowing that this is more of a seasonal color, I felt like I did have to jump on it, or else I'd probably miss this color. And I've talked about getting more colors into my collection, and I think this is a great addition. Just because look at that. I could clip that on to some of my handbags. I think that looks so pretty against browns and beige colors, don't you guys think? And I do like how it's more in this beautiful understated leather, and it seems like it'd be like a nice little grab and go too as well. So are you guys a fan of the Nano Baguette? Okay guys, well that is it for this luxury fall haul. What was your favorite piece that I unboxed today? I'd love to get your thoughts. And what do you think of my Nano in mint green? Did you think I should have went with the beige? Kind of mix things up. Anyways, I hope you guys have a good rest of your week. Take care.